Have a look at my journal here. This is the creative journal I use for myself. I made these things last year. I rarely use it and only use it for creative stuff like mandala art or to put some beautiful stuff. And still many pages are left to be completed because it's my creative journal. It can be used as a wish list or for manifestation also. I really wanted to read the Ikigai novel, so I made this manifestation creative journal on 25th May 2025, and next year, exactly today, I have the novel with me.
I started journaling from last year and when I started to journal मैंने भी बहुत सारी वीडियोस देखे थे and really there were like tons of recommendations और मैंने इसलिए ये डायरी खरीदी थी to make it like an aesthetic one. But then I realized that I really don't need a fancy book like this. I can also journal in the book like this, right? So let me guys tell you how was my journal journey. I won't take it long. Let me tell you guys why I made this journal as a creative journal. So at the starting phase, आप देख सकते हो at the start. Oh my god, I get few of these things like this so that I can use it for my creative journal. At the beginning of writing journal, I used to write a page every day. So मैं हर रोज एक एक page लिखते थे. As you can see, there are pages. But then I realized कि it started becoming like boring for me. And फिर मैं ये सोचने लगी थी कि journaling should be something so that I can feel relief. So it should be something peaceful, right? Not boring. And that's why I started writing journals once or thrice in a week. I started journaling after my 11th standard, so at the beginning of the 12th grade. सो एट द स्टार्ट मेरे पास थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम होता था इसलिए मैं हर रोज एक एक पेज जर्नल लिख पाती थी बट देन द स्टडी वाइज रूटीन थोड़ा हेक्टिक होने लगा एंड सिलेबस भी ज़्यादा था सो आई वाज नॉट गेटिंग टाइम टू राइट जर्नल but now I found a solution for myself. Let me share it with you guys. First thing, I decided to journal in my English notebook so that no one can identify it. This is my English prose notebook, so I know कि हमें इतना ज़्यादा यूजफुल नहीं था just because we just wrote few of the answers at the front. तो मुझे पता था कि इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं है and teachers didn't correct also. So first thing I decided to make a yearly tracker. So जैसे मैंने बनाया है as you can see on your screen.
And I differentiated it with a different topic like weather, my mood, about the stress level, and other things too. Every single box is for particular day.
The second thing, I got this idea from one creator, I don't remember who, but I really like this idea and it is working for me. So here I just write one sentence or just one thing that made me happy for that particular day. So the thing is, I started doing this from the last year. I think अक्टूबर से मैंने स्टार्ट किया बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम हमें बहुत सारे असाइनमेंट्स दिए गए थे सो आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग टाइम टू राइट जर्नल एंड इट वॉज रियली हेक्टिक हैज यू नो गाइज सो आई थॉट कि इट विल बी बेटर बिकॉज एट द एंड आई विल हैव सम ऑफ द रीजन्स विच मेड मी रियली हैप्पी. Journaling is one of my hobby and currently I am doing three type of journaling. फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ द क्रिएटिव जर्नल जो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रेयरली बनाती हूँ लाइक मंथली एक क्योंकि मैं इसमें लाइक मटेरियल्स यूज़ करती हूँ लाइक वेल्थ आउट ऑफ वेस्ट टाइप सो आई मेक इट रेयरली. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ दिस वन जिसमें मैं ट्रैकर है लाइक मेरा दिन कैसे गया हाउ वॉज माई मूड हेल्थ ट्रैकर और उसके साथ मैं एक सेंटेंस लिखती हूँ. एंड द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट वन इज़ राइटिंग अ होल पेज बट दैट वन ऑल्सो आई डू वेरी रेयरली जब कुछ ऐसा हो लाइक सपोज इट इज़ माई बर्थडे और सम ओकेजन इज़ हैपनिंग तो उस दिन लाइक कुछ दिन ज़्यादा अच्छा गया कुछ इंसिडेंट हुआ दैट आई वॉन्ट टू रिमेंबर so that I will write in that journal. So now if you really want to make journaling as your hobby, so these are few of the things that you should keep in mind before starting it. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कंसिस्टेंसी और अगर कंसिस्टेंसी ब्रेक हो भी जाए देन यू शुड हैव दैट courage to continue again. This is the thing that happened with me at the start. So as you know I told you guys that I used to write whole page a day but then it started getting boring. So first pick up one type of journal like मेरे पास तीन टाइप के हैं so you can pick any one. If you want easy start then you can pick the second one which I'm writing like what was a good thing about a particular day. So एक sentence हर रोज़ लिख सकते हैं so it is easy, it will take less than 5 minutes for you. Okay, so let's move forward and decide about the timing, because it is important to choose about the timing after choosing the method in which you will be writing your journal. And for Gen Z people like me, I think it's better to write this journal after your dinner. Yes, I think it is better for each type of journal, because after dinner the thing is the day is over, you have so many of the things that you can write what happened in a day. So yeah, it is better, and I think the best timing for me and for you too. It is all upon you, because few of the people also likes to write the journal in the morning also. Okay, so now I'm sharing two prompts. One is for morning person and the second one is for night owl type of person like me. If you really want to write a journal in the morning, so I think it will be like more of a goal. So you can write what is my main goal for today. Here are three questions that you should answer if you are writing your journal in the morning. First thing, what is my main goal for today? Second, how do I want to feel today? And third, what am I grateful for this morning? So you can write these three questions answer. If you are writing your journal at the night, so you can answer these three questions. First, what was the best part of my day? Second, what made me proud of myself today? And third, what can I let go of before sleeping? So if you search on Google, you can get really amazing prompts. And this was the same way I used to search prompts for myself when I was at the beginner stage while writing the journal. But now as I'm into it, so I made three sections and I'm using it as per my mood. If you want, you can really write a page every day. It's all upon you. I have seen people who really like to write a whole page every day. Like me, I was writing it before, but now I rarely write it, because there are some of the people who really want to share their feelings and they don't have any person with them. So I think it is better for a person who really want to vent out their feelings, and so that they can write it really easily on the journal. So I know a few of the people write like this, like dear journal and or dear diary, and they write all these things that what they want to write. While talking to you guys, I really got an amazing idea and I really want to try it now. So you can take a diary or an old notebook which has like 100 pages, and there you can write the few of the things that you like or you want to try in your life. Okay, so at the starting of the notebook you can write a self introduction about yourself कि मेरा नाम ये है, I like to do this and all that stuff. So it has to be like introduction about yourself, what you like, what is your favorite color, what is your favorite food, all that stuff. The second thing you can do is about the other hobbies. Suppose if you like to watch series, or if you want to watch any series, so you can just make a list of it on your journal. Like I really do this on my notepad in the phone. This particular thing can be like a manifestation also, so you can write things I want to experience once in my life. So there can be many things that you want to experience in your life. Suppose it is about skating or any other thing, so you can write it like that. I think I had answered most of the queries and there will be very less questions which is left. So that is it for today's video. It was all about journaling, so if you want to try, please go ahead. This can be really amazing hobby guys, you just need consistency. Thank you so much lovelies for watching this video. If you are still here listening to me, don't forget to subscribe and join Purviverse family, and bye, meet you soon.